Hello kids. Let's learn about otters. Otters are cute, playful animals that love the water. Otters have soft, thick fur that keeps them warm and dry. They take care of their fur by rubbing it, so they stay cozy in cold water. Otters have webbed feet, which help them swim very well. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 8 minutes. Otters love to play. They slide down muddy or snowy hills, just like kids on a slide. They also play games with each other. Otters like to live with their families. A group of otters is called a raft when they are in the water. Sometimes, they even hold hands to stay together when they sleep. Otters love to eat fish, clams, and crabs. They use their sharp teeth to catch and eat these tasty snacks. Some otters use rocks to crack open clams and crabs. This makes them one of the few animals that use tools. Otters are wonderful animals that help keep rivers and lakes clean by eating lots of fish and other small animals. Watching them play and swim is so much fun.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.